Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel CBGB Motorsports. I'm Colin.
I'm Gavin.
And this is our mom's 2016 Ford Flex.
We got this car a few months ago and it just hit 40,000 miles, so we are going to do an oil change.
In this video, we're going to show you how to change the oil in a Ford 3.5 liter V6.
Changing the oil can be a messy job, so we are going to change clothes and get started.
Now that we have the car up on ramps, the oil filter and the drain plug are easily accessible. You might want to have a protective mat and some brake cleaner in case you have an accident. Now, lefty-loosey, and let's get started.
Before you install the oil filter, make sure you wet the seal with some oil. The next step is to fill it up with 6 quarts of fresh 5W20 oil. We chose Mobil 1 because we've had good luck with it in the past. To fill it with about half of this and then crank it and check the level before you top it off. In order to check the oil, we need to make sure the car is not running and on level ground. Here's the dipstick. It is at the top of the hash mark, so the level is perfect. It is good practice to check the oil every time you fill your gas tank.
Here is the oil change required alert. In order to make this go away, press OK, click to the left, go down to Settings, go to Vehicle, click Oil Life Reset, hold OK to reset, and oil life set to 100.
Well, that's it. It's pretty simple, and it takes less than 30 minutes. Don't forget to recycle your oil.
That's it for this video. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Support is very much appreciated.